through projects. In this video, we are going to discuss the project carpooling. Introduction. Carpooling is the concept of sharing your car to accommodate more than one person at a time, eliminating the need for riders to drive themselves in separate vehicles. There are great benefits to carpooling such as shared costs, reducing the number of individual cars on the road. By having more people using one vehicle, carpooling reduces pollutant emissions as well as traffic jams on roads. Carpooling is an application of finding car in which drivers who are traveling to work alone can ask for fellow passengers through our application. For those who use public transport system to go to work daily can use this application to find drivers who are traveling to the same destination in a short path. It provides with a simple riding platform between the car owner and the car user. This project enables users to access mobility assets owned by others exactly when they need. It shows a medium for available cars to pick up them on the interest of car owner with time and capacity. This project aims at the creation of carpooling system. Objective. The objective is to develop an application that tries to overcome the hassle of traveling and also the application that creates an environment-friendly and cheap way of traveling. Carpooling is the sharing of car journeys so that more than one person travels in a car and prevents the need for others to have to drive to a location themselves. Carpool community is more popular for people who work in places with more jobs nearby and who live in places with higher residential densities. Carpooling is significantly correlated with transport operating costs, including fuel prices and commute length. By having more people using one vehicle, carpooling reduces each person's travel costs such as fuel costs, tolls, and the stress of driving. Carpooling is also a more environment-friendly and sustainable way to travel as sharing journeys reduces air pollution, carbon emissions, traffic congestion on the roads, and the need for parking spaces. Requirements. We use two types of requirements in this project. The first one is software and the next one is hardware. Coming to the software requirements, we use the programming language Python 3.7.0, front-end framework Django, database MySQL, front-end technologies HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. Hardware requirements. We use the operating system Windows only, processor i5 and above, RAM 4GB and above, and hard disk 10GB and above. Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is New User Sign Up Here module. Using this module, the new user or passenger and new driver can create the account in the system by providing basic information details like username, password, contact details, vehicle number, user type to complete the sign-up process. Coming to the second module, it is driver module. Inside this driver module, we have the following sub-modules. The first module is driver login. Using this module, driver can log into the application and then enter his location name, latitude and longitude and wait for passenger request. The next module is enter your location module. This module allows the driver to publish the locations so passenger can book ride. The driver also provides the latitude and longitude information too. The third module is accept ride request. Using this module, the driver accepts the ride requests which are requested by the passenger. The fourth module is start ride. Using this module, the driver starts the ride. The fifth module is ride complete. This module indicates the ride has been completed. Driver will select ride ID and passenger ID and then enter the miles traveled to get the fare amount. Coming to the third module, it is user module. Inside this user module, we have the following sub-modules. The first module is passenger login. Using this module, passengers can log into the application and then manually enter their location and share with drivers, and drivers can accept the request to start the ride. The second module is share location and request ride. Using this module, the user within 3 miles of distance shares the location with the driver and also requests for the ride. The last module and the third module in user module is give ratings. Using this module, the user gives rating for the ride he booked. Passenger can give ratings on the scale of 1 to 5. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. This is the code folder. Inside this code folder, we have carpooling app folder, carpooling folder, db file, manage.py file, run.bat file, carpooling folder. Inside this folder, there are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. These files serve the purpose of removing duplicates. Carpooling app folder. This folder comprises of 3 more folders: static folder, templates folder, and Python code files. Static folder contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Templates folder. Within this folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. Python code files. These files consist of Python code that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. DB file or database file. This file contains SQL queries that need to be executed within MySQL in order to establish the required database structure. Manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. Run.bat file. Instead of executing the program through the command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. When we double click on run.bat file, the manage.py file is compiled. In the command line, we can see after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address. This is the local host and this is the port number. Copy the local link and paste it on any of the web browsers. So I prefer Chrome. Paste it and type index.html at the end and hit on enter. So this is the front end built using Django framework. In this carpooling app, we have driver or passenger login link, new user sign up here links. Now click on new user sign up here link. Provide the username, password, contact details, email ID, vehicle number, and user type so that we can complete the sign up process. Now I am going to provide the username. Already I have created some of the users' names, but for your kind information or kind knowledge, I am going to provide the new details. Here I am providing the name, password, contact number, email ID. So it is asd@gmail.com, and last, so vehicle number, here I am providing it as TS093456, and here give it AU also, AU. And now I am selecting the user type as driver only. So here we have driver and passenger. So I am selecting as driver, and now click on register. And here you can see sign up process completed. Now again click on new user sign up here. Provide the username. So this sign up process is for user. The before one I done it for the driver. ZXC. So I am providing it as ZXC, password and contact number, email ID. So zxc@gmail.com, and the next vehicle number I am providing it as TS09AFAE1234, and now I am choosing the type as passenger, and now click on register. So sign up process has been completed. Now for your better understanding, I am going to use another tab. So in the first tab I will be showing the information of the driver, and in the second tab I will be showing the information of the passenger so that you can understand clearly. I am providing it and type index.html and hit on enter. So I am using two tabs. Now I'll be going to driver or passenger login. In the first tab, I'll be providing the driver's information. So I am providing the name as ASD and password. Click on login. So here I am logged in as the driver, and you can see the welcome message, welcome ASD. And in the second tab, I am going to log in as the passenger. Same, I am clicking driver or passenger login, and here I am providing the user details or the passenger details and click on login. So here in the driver's page, you can see enter your location, start ride and ride complete links. And in the passenger link, you can see only share location link and give ratings link. Now I am going to share, the passenger is going to share the location details or the destination details. So I am providing the destination details, Panjagutta. So I am providing the current latitude and longitude and click on submit. So this is the information of the drivers who are in location name Amirpet, and the driver names, ride ID, longitude, latitude information, ride date and sharing the location. So now I'll be providing, going to the first tab, I'll enter the location of the driver. So here I am providing the driver location as Amirpet, and latitude I am providing 17.4375 and longitude 78.4482. Click on submit. So location details added with ID 12, passenger request will be arrived here. So now I'll go back to the second tab, which is the passengers tab, and here I'll refresh it. So continue. Here you can see the new driver details. So ride ID 12, driver name ASD, location Amirpet, latitude, longitude, ride date, sharing the location. So now I am going to click here to share location. Click here. So your request shared with driver and with ID 8. So now go back to the driver's page and see, you can see the passenger ID is 8, ride ID 12, driver name ASD, passenger ZXC and accept ride information. So now click here to accept the ride. So I am going to click that one and click on it. Passenger is on the way, please wait here only. So the driver has accepted the riding information or start ride. So now click on start ride. Here you can see the ride has been started. So let's wait for a minute and let's try for the ride complete. So now I'll click on ride complete. Here you can see the ride ID 12 which was given for the user and also for the driver, and passenger ID in the driver's page you can see the passenger ID, and now driver can enter the miles. So I'm going to enter the miles as 25 and click on submit. So here you can see total fare is 250. So this is how the carpooling app works. Now go back to the users page and click on give ratings. So by clicking on give ratings link, you can see the driver name ratings. So the ride has been completed now and the driver name has been present here, and now the user has to give the ratings for the driver. So I am providing it as 4 and now click on submit. You can see ratings has been accepted. Thank you. So this is all about how carpooling app works and how it provides the drivers and the passengers to add the information and many more. This is all about carpooling app system. And now go back to the conclusion part. So conclusion. I conclude by saying that carpooling app represents a transformative solution to the challenges of modern day transportation. By fostering shared rides, reducing traffic congestion and promoting sustainable practices, it also contributes to more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly interface. As we continue to face urbanization and increased demands on transportation infrastructure, the significance of carpooling has become even more pronounced. These platforms not only address the immediate concerns of traffic congestion and cost savings, but also align with the broader global push towards sustainable living and responsible resource utilization. In essence, carpooling app represents a forward-thinking approach to mobility where individual journeys are transformed into shared experience. It not only reduces the pollution, it also gives the sharing experience and also requests for the users and drivers so that they can efficiently maintain the transportation with ease. This is all about carpooling system. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.